Hello everyone! Today we are making Thai Banana Roti. First, we need to get the fresh pandan leaves juice. We can either use fresh or frozen pandan leaves. Cut it into small pieces. Then blend it in the blender with hot water. Then drain the liquid through a sieve. Don't forget to squeeze it for more juice. For the leaves left over, I'm not throwing away. I will leave it in the fridge as an air freshener. Now, let's prepare for the dough. Put the plain flour, sugar, and salt in the mixing bowl. Crack in an egg and melted butter. Then rub the paddle with vegetable oil. Then pour in the pandan juice, about 125 ml. At the beginning, turn to the slow speed to mix the ingredients well. Then gradually pour in the rest of the pandan juice. Now, turn to the medium-high speed to form a dough. Don't worry if the dough looks sticky. We can use the spatula to help. Dip the spatula with oil. Use the spatula to knead until almost smooth. This dough needs extra oil. Don't be afraid to add. When it's not sticking to the bowl at all, we can start to using our hand to knead. And leave it covered and stands for 30 minutes. Prepare a container and brush with oil. And also brush your hands with oil to prevent sticking. Take a small piece to knead well and form a small dough. Then dip your hands again with oil. Take another dough. Using finger to fold it until the dough becomes smooth. And voila! All the small doughs are ready. And then rest for 20 minutes. And now they are rest enough. Now prepare the roti. Beat in 1 egg in the container. Then add the sliced banana. And mix them well. as you might see people toasting and frying the dough in the air. I'm sorry I'm not good at rolling and thinning the dough like a pro, but I'm going to show you how to do it in my way. Take the dough out and fold again until smooth, and then put on the oiled surface. Then use a finger to make it thin and flat. Sharing with you with the Thai night market secret, we're using shortening to heat the pan. But you can also use any kind of oil, like vegetable oil. The shortening just makes it more crispy and authentic. You can omit it if you couldn't find it. Make sure the pan is hot enough before you put in. The dough will shake a bit, but it's okay. Then we add in the egg and banana. When the dough is still soft, fold in all sizes and like an envelope. Flip it over and cook until crispy and golden brown in color. And don't forget to refill the oil for frying. Too less oil, it won't be crispy. When it's done, cut into pieces. Drizzle with any favorite sauces. Mine is caramel syrup and condensed milk. And that's it. It's so easy to make, and you can enjoy the Thai street food flavor at home. Thanks for watching, my love. See you next video.